challenge. So, bago natin simulan, is kulang kami ng 3. Dahil yung isa hindi pinayagan, yung 2, hindi namin alam kung bakit. So, bago natin simulan, please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates and like also. And also, please share this video. So, let's start! So, ako muna guys. So, kunyari nga, explain namin para malaman niyo kung ano gawin. Kunyari, sabi niya, what is my favorite fruit? Tapos, magsasabi ko, 1, 2, 3, go! Mango! Ganon. Sabay sila. Pag nagkatumpa kami, pareho kami answer. Di, 1 point pa kami. So, tig 1 point pa kami, 2. Okay. Yun na. Okay. First question. What is my favorite sport? 1, 2, 3, go! Badminton! Correct. Second question is cheese. What is my favorite clothing? 1, 2, 3, go! Crop top! Okay. I know that. So, third question. So, what is my favorite hobbies? 1, 2, 3, go! Playing with friends and badminton. Playing badminton. Fourth question. Medyo nag-loading. What is my nickname? 1, 2, 3, go! Kish! I know! K! Yes. Wala! Loading! What is my favorite brand in the shoes? 1, 2, 3, go! Nike! Adibadibabas. Adidas. Nike or Nike? Parehas lang yun, guys. Adidas. Ang next natin, guys, ay si Maria. The first question is, what is my favorite color? 1, 2, 3, purple! Correct! What is my favorite sports? 1, 2, 3, badminton! Correct. Medyo nag-loading ako kasi kala ko mag-go pa siya. What is my favorite game? 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go! Game? Favorite game? Running! Agawa ng base. Enter. No! Roblox! Tama! You're correct! That's so impressive. Ay, ilan na ako? 2. 1. Next question is... Wait lang. Wala ako ibang maisip, guys. Waiting. What is my favorite clothing? 1, 2, 3, go! Crop top! Correct. 3 points. What is my favorite drink? 1, 2, 3, Royal! Milk tea. Royal. No, wrong. Walang nakatama. Shake! Lemon. Shake. No. Yan yung iniinom namin. No. That is wrong. Ang favorite drinks ko is Coke. Coke ang favorite drinks ko. And pang fourth question, diba? Fourth question is, what is my hobbies? 1, 2, 3, go! Playing with friends. Or badminton. Very good. That is correct. Next question is, what is my favorite food? 1, 2, 3. Chicken! Ay, chicken! Wrong! Sabi niya, badminton, chicken. Oo nga pala siya. So, next is Winnie. First question. What is my favorite... What is my favorite food? Bilang na. 1, 2, 3. Pancit Canton! What is my favorite fruit? 1, 2, 3, go! My grapes! None of you is correct. Wait. Orange! Right. It's my second favorite. Orange?
Yeah. What is my favorite hobby? 1, 2, 3.
Playing with
Badminton.
friends and playing badminton. Connect naman ako, di ba? 2 points.
Are you sure you're right?
Playing badminton, bagka.
Playing badminton is right, but the playing with friends, right? May kulang kayo.
Tama,
Playing Roblox? No.
Playing stick mat.
No.
Playing Roblox and
No.
Dress to Impress.
No. You know that?
3.
Bonding with friends.
Gala with friends.
Yun na yun.
Cooking.
Playing.
Sirit.
Put playing is correct. But what playing? What I'm playing?
Badminton or
Playing.
Roblox.
Playing. Running.
Playing
Agawan ng
Agaw
base.
Base.
Enter.
Enter.
Agawan base.
Oh, diba?
Yes.
So, third question.
This is my favorite month.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go!
Yay!
Right, because May is my
Birth month.
Her birth month.
Wait lang, guys.
What is happening to you?
Okay, next question. Fourth question.
Naka-third na kami, guys.
Tama. Tama. Fourth.
What is my
Tama,
favorite
third.
playing on my phone? My
Wow.
favorite games. 1, 2, 3, go!
Roblox. Playing Dress to Impress.
Yes.
ML.
Right.
Kaya M baga ka na M. M. L.
She's 4 and she's
3.
So,
Tama man
last
gina
question.
sa Roblox with Dress to Impress.
Yes.
Diba? Pareho kami 4. So, pang 5 questions, 5th question.
Last question. Last. What is my favorite letter? 2 letter yun, guys. 1, 2, 3, go!
W and J.
P. S. Tama na yung J ka. It's because of Jesus.
Yes. And yung mother niya is nagsisimula din sa J.
J. Pero meron yung sa akin. M.
Mama mo.
M. Kaya nga, meron.
Oh, pala no, M pala.
Dali sa start.
J and M.
J and M. Ay, J and M. Gawin niya
Da-
ang J
W
and J M.
J M. J.
W and M. No!
J. Tama na ba ganun? J.
J and it's my favorite letter because of Tara, tignan na kayo bibigyan ng screen.
J and W.
Not my name, ah. Okay lang yun, kahit isa lang.
J and... Wait lang.
W na yun.
Ano mga pangalan? J. Ano pa kanita ka mo?
Bakit? Ano ba? Kayo, parang ano kayo sa akin?
Ha? J and F.
Yes, because of family and friends.
J and F yung mall namin sa sentro. J and F.
Sa bayan. Ganun.
Sa bahay.
Ligaw yung tawag
tapos
namin.
na kami, guys. So,
Wala na,
yun
tapos
lang.
na po. Bye!
Abangan
Abangan